Hello, my name is Steve Conley. I'm the owner of Environmental Automotive. Today I'd like to introduce you to a new fuel injection service that we provide at Environmental Automotive in Millersville, Maryland. What this service does, it's mainly designed for vehicles that are older than 2005 and have GDI motors, which is a direct injection motor. And what happens with these motors over time is they build up carbon inside the valves, and what happens, it usually causes your engine to run rough. Sometimes it even can produce a check engine light. Just depends on how far and how bad it gets. But a lot of times we do have vehicles in here, a large percentage of the time these vehicles need a fuel injection service because of the carbon buildup inside these motors. And what this new intelligent induction cleaner from ATS does, it has a three-step process. And what it does, it gets in there, gets with the chemicals, and it softens up this carbon. And then we go in there with a cleaner and we clean that out through the exhaust system. And in the meantime, it helps clean up the converter too. So the good thing about this is, if you can see this picture here, you can see it has a lot of carbon buildup around that valve. After we do our process right here, the valve is very clean. It's not like it's new, but it's very clean. And the one good thing about this service is, and I like to hear from customers, because they'll tell me that this service, basically, their car hadn't run that good since it's new, since they bought it. So if you're looking for improved gas mileage, you're looking for a smooth running motor, and to clean out the fuel injection system totally, this is the machine right here. This is the most technical, advanced fuel injection machine out there. I haven't seen anything like it. A lot of the other systems that are out there that they use is just a spray. It gets in there, it cleans, but it doesn't get down there and clean like this thing does. So if you've got drivability problems, your car's not running properly, you're not getting the gas mileage that you're looking for, this is the guy right here. This will take care of it. And like I said, it's anything like for 2005 or above. Some of the turbos we can't do, and then some of the hybrids, it's kind of tough to do this, because you really got to keep the motor running at all times. But anyway, if you're interested, give us a call, 410-987-5546. Like I say, we're in Millersville, Maryland, right off of 97 on Veterans Highway. We're not far from you. Just give us a call. We'll be glad to schedule a service. You can drop it off. We'll work you in during the day and have it back to you same day service. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.